Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we can check how to create a resume using mobile phone. Here we are going to create a resume using an application, a mobile application called Canva. So we can easily create a resume within 5 minutes using this application. So we can download that application from Play Store. So I have already downloaded, so I will open that application. This is a very nice application. Okay, so a lot of templates are available in this Canva application for creating Instagram posts, logo, poster, label, everything. So actually we can select the resume option. Yeah, this is a resume. Okay, inside the resume also there are a lot of templates like professional resume, modern resume, simple resume. So we can select one resume. I will select modern resume. So we can see a wide variety of resumes. Actually we can edit these resumes and create our own from this. So I will select one from this. Okay, I will select this. Okay, we can click the edit button for editing. Okay, we can easily edit this by clicking. We can just zoom and click that portion which we want to edit. So here we can change our number, like we can give any mobile number or something. We can give okay, then we can click this tick button. Okay, so like this we can edit any portion. We can edit education. We can also edit this work titles also. We can edit anything. We can edit. We can also change the photos. Actually just click the photos, then we can select from our gallery, or else I am using that image from Canva for this resume. So we can easily put images. We can also change the name, everything. After that we can easily export this resume into PDF format. We can click that a blue color button here. Okay, we can then click the save as button. In save as we have different file types are available, and from that we can select the PDF standard, and we can click the download, so it will get downloaded into our phone. Okay, yeah, that's downloaded. We can also send this to mails, WhatsApp, everything, so it is very helpful for us. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like.